Go.
Okay, we have triceps. There's 3 of them. This is the tricep long, tricep lateral, triceps medial. This little one right here starting at the olecranon is the anconeus.
These are all triceps brachii.
And then this is the biceps. Biceps brachii located deep to the clavideltoid. Now moving on to the arms. The first muscle we come to is the brachioradialis. Then next to that we have the extensor carpi radialis longus. And then a little muscle next to it is extensor carpi radialis brevis. Then we have the extensor digitorum communis, extensor digitorum lateralis, extensor carpi ulnaris. And this is where it gets tricky. There's 2 of them. It's a flexor carpi ulnaris here and flexor carpi ulnaris here. This big one, palmaris longus, followed by the flexor digitorum profundus, flexor carpi radialis, and pronator teres.